Chakachak in Hindi means cleaning and shining. Chakachak Toli is the name of the group of children who work to clean their park. Bean keeps a record of the money and writes it in his diary. Help Bean to find how much money is left at the end of the month. Hi kids, let's find the money left at the end of the October month. Here on 3rd October collected amount is Rs 60. On 7th October bought a broomstick for Rs 18. On 12th October bought a phenyl bottle for Rs 25. On 25th October collected amount is Rs 27 from the cards that was made. So let's calculate total money collected. Add the money Rs 60 collected on 3rd October and Rs 27 on 25th October. First add 0 and 7. It's 7. Next add 6 and 2. Count 2 after 6. 7, 8. It's 8. So total collected money is Rs 87. Next, calculate the money spent. Add the money Rs 18 for a broom and Rs 25 for phenyl bottle. Add 8 and 5. Count 5 after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write 3 on one side and 1 on the other side. Add numbers 1, 1 and 2. Count 1 after 1. It's 2. Now count 2 after 2. It's 4. Total money spent is Rs 43. Calculate the money left. Kids, do you know how to find the money left? Yes, subtract the total collected money Rs 87 minus total money spent Rs 43. First subtract 7 and 3. Count 3 before 7. 6, 5, 4. It's 4. Now subtract 8 and 4. Count 4 before 8. 7, 6, 5 and 4. It's 4. So the money left at the end of October is Rs 44.